how to approach landlords, property managers, owners of the property to use their property as an Airbnb rental. Look, I understand the frustration of getting no's. I get DMs, emails every day, if not in every way, on how to actually approach and pitch the idea of the rental arbitrage business to an owner to let them allow you to do this thing. Look, I get it. It was hard in the beginning, but we figured it out, and now I'm gonna give you the solution. There's 3 steps to save you time and to save the owner the time, okay? The first step is an email. A simple email, asking if they accept a corporate lease. If they do, if they don't, if they respond to you, whatever the case may be. Second step is jumping on a phone call to explain the process. Third step is the actual viewing. Okay, the actual viewing of the property, explaining them, introducing yourself. And the biggest thing that you're going to want to bring is yourself. You're going to have to look professional, dress professional, and actually know the part. If you're a new entrepreneur, if it's your first one you're setting up, I know you're going to have roadblocks, but that's okay. Okay, what you can prove is hopefully you have the income coming in where you can set it up under a corporation, but have your personal income to show that you can pay the tab every single month. Look, it's pretty simple. There's more to it, of course. There's more to the pitch and how to say and what to say and to present yourself and to have them get the answer of a yes faster. Hit my DM with the word passive so I can get you the exact script on how to do this and how to do it with speed, okay? Bang.